this is with Chloe versus Star, and Staff versus Victor.
Okay, here we go.
So let's
Who's first?
versus Thomas. Thomas is out. Which one?
Next.
Oh, Stafford is out. Victor one. And now it's Victor versus Rick. Oh,